Hello everyone. I'm Rahul Rupale, and today I'm discussing my first internal paper. Question number one is how is unstructured data analyzed in a context of a data science? Provide an example of a data mining activity used to analyze understanding text data. How can fixed techniques be employed to automate the classifications of written complaints? So your answer is unstructured data analysis is firstly unstructured data like text, images, and videos like as a predefined format. Techniques such as natural language processing, sentiment analysis, and clustering are used to exact patterns and insight. Now, seeing some examples, text analysis in a customer feedback to identify common complaints or of sentimentations. Now, automation is a text mining techniques such as tokenization, name entity recognitions, and machine learning algorithm can classify complaint into categories automatically. Now, the second question is discuss a specific method or techniques that facilitates this process. Give the complaints. Now, the complaint is the thief of my mobile phone by an unknown person at MG Road on 2023 to 220. The phone was stolen by I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scarf on his face. Describe the approach, algorithm, or process for identifying applicable IPC Indian Penal Code and BNS Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section. Answer is approach process the text using techniques like tokenizations and stop word removal. Use an LP for extracting key details such as location, MG Road, dat 220 and 2023. And the crime type is theft. Algorithm process rule-based systems or machine learning classifiers trained on label legal data to match the complaint to IPC and BNS sections. Section is 379. Thief of IP could apply to this cost. Now moving question number third. What are a suitable data structure and algorithm for addressing the task described in question number two? So answer is a data structure has table to map keywords or phrase to correspond IPC and BNS sections. Graph to model relationship between different entities in the text. Algorithm is TF. IDF means turn frequency and inverse document frequency for identifying important words. Navy bias or support vector machines. SVM for text classification task. Now moving on question number fourth and understand the question number four. Explain how this structure and algorithm can be applied to effectively classify the complaint into appropriate IPC or BNS section. Now answer is pre-processes the complaint to extract features like crime type, location, and data. Use TF-IDF to convert text into numerical representation. Third one is a feed the numerical representation into classifier. Example SVM or Navy base trained on labeled legal data. Now, third one is a use hash table for efficient retrieval of IPC and BNS sections based on identifying crime types or keyword. Now, last questions in my internal paper is what metrics are appropriate for accessing the performance of algorithm used in text mining. Detail the metric, the evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of text mining techniques. Now, precision measure the proportions of correctly predicted relevant instant out of all predicted instance. Second one is a recall. Measure the proportion of correctly predicted relevant instant of all actual relevant instant. Now, third one is a F1 score. Harmonic mean of precision and recall indicate a balance between the two. Accuracy measure the proportions of correctly classify instant out of all instant. Now, fifth one is a confusion matrix. Evaluate the distribution of a true positive, true negative, false positive, and false negative. ROC score indicate the model ability to distinguish between classes. Now, this is all about my first internal paper questions and answers for all the questions. And thank you for watching the video until the end.